Hello, welcome friend guys. Last time we got VS Code all set. Now we are diving into the absolute foundation of every web page, the HTML boilerplate code. First, open up your index HTML filing VS Code. Forget to install the extra extension. VS Code already has it. To make the boilerplate code appear, simply type an exclamation mark and hit either tab or enter. Done. The code is in front of you. Now let's make down the only two things that really matter. First, the quick stuff at the top. Document HTML. This is the first line and it's the simplest. It's not an actual HTML tag. It's an instruction for the browser. It tells the browser, hey, read this document using the rules for HTML5, which is the modern standard. Without this, your page might look only too funny. Second is the HTML lang is equal to image. This is the root element. It contains everything else on the page. The set entire document lives inside this opening and closing tag. You don't use the metal addition lang is equal to English. That's an attribute that tells search engines and screen readers the primary language of the document is English. Now talk about the header section. So the header section is like the brain of your website. It holds the metadata information about the document, not content that to the user you actually sees on the web. So first, let's discuss about the metadata. So meta tags, you see the little meta tags, they do an important job in the background. Things like making sure your web page looks good on every device like tablet, mobile phone, etc. And defining the correct character set for every web page. Now let's discuss about the title tag. So this is the one you do to interact with your web page title. Whatever you type inside here in what shows up at the title in the browser tab. It's also the title and Google displays in every search engine, every search results. Now let's discuss about the body section. Now you can see the body tags. If the header section is the head of the brain, then the body is the visible content. Everything you see on the website, the headings, the paragraphs, images, buttons, and the navigation bar, it all goes right here between the opening and closing body tags. This is where we will be spending 90% of our time coding. That's the entire HTML boilerplate in an action. You know now the difference between the hidden header tag and the visible body tag. If the quick breakdown helped you, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe now. Because in the very next video, we finally start adding actual content with essential tags like paragraph and link. Till then, keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.